Hello viewers, Black Friday sale will start at Amazon and Flipkart at midnight tonight. So if you want to buy any tablet, you have to be ready with your credit cards and buy your favorite tablet at the earliest opportunity, because if you miss the chance of buying the tablet at midnight, and if you want to buy that tablet at any other time, suppose in the morning, there may be a possibility that the price of that product might have increased. So if you want to save your budget or your money, you have to keep yourself awake till midnight when you can see the price of each tablet, and then you can decide whether you should buy that tablet or not. In Big Billion Days sale also, we have seen that the price of the tablets and smartphones were very less at the start of the sale, but after few hours they increased the price of some favorite tablets and smartphones, as a result of which many people could not buy that product. If you have Axis Bank credit card or Bank of Baroda card or HDFC Bank card or IDFC First Bank card, in that case you can avail 10% instant discounts. These discounts will be available on full payment and also on EMI transactions. And if you have Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, in that case you will get 5% unlimited cashback, and also Flipkart Pay Later options is available. Flipkart has already teased some pricing of some products. Suppose iPhone 15, this product will be available at a price point of 53 to 54,000 rupees, and if you want to buy Apple MacBook M2 laptop, in that case you can get this at around 70,000 rupees. However, they did not reveal the exact pricing of this MacBook M2. During this sale you will get iPad 9th generation under 20,000 rupees, and also you will get Poco Pad under 20,000 rupees. So these are the two products that have been revealed by Flipkart. And if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP+, OnePlus Pad 2, you have to wait till midnight to know the price of those products. Let me know in the comment sections below which tablet or smartphone you want to buy during Black Friday sale on Amazon and Flipkart. And if you have any questions regarding tablets or smartphones, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.